many ways to say very tired. Hello, everybody. You've already known exactly who I am. I am teacher Masina Mackinson, the teacher who is ready and available to teach you English. Msali chaque monde kap gade vidéo ça, une salutation spéciale. Dans vidéo ça, nous voilà apprendre ensemble avec teacher Masina Mackinson 8 façons ou capable dire very tired. Et pas simplement very tired ou capable d'utiliser pour dire très fatigué. Il y a 8 façons après very tired ou capable d'utiliser 8 formes pour dire moi très fatigué. Fatigué en pile. Moi fatigué en pile. En aller. Numéro 1, I am burnt out. I am burnt out. Qui veut dire moi fatigué. I am burnt out. Moi fatigué en pile. 2, I am exhausted. I am exhausted. Il veut dire moi fatigué en pile. 3. I am beat. I am beat. 4. I am bust now. I am bust now. 5. I am done up. I am done up. 6. I am worn out. I am worn out. I am worn out. 7. I am used up. I am used up. I am used up. The last, I am depleted. I am depleted. I am depleted. I don't want to say, I don't want to use so. I can't use I am so depleted. No. I am depleted. It's correct. Mpa bezwen utilize so, mpa bezwen utilize very. Yo tou gen very la dan yo. I am used up, li signifie I am very tired. Mpa bezwen utilize very nan phrase sa yo. Se 8 fason sa ou mdepote pou nou, ou kapab di, mwen fatige en pile. 8 ways you can say that after very tired. There are many ways you can use to say that. I was glad more than ever just to bring this class for you. If you bump into my video, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. My name is Teacher Masina Mackinson again. I'm gone.